Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. In this video, what you're looking at, it is a Kota Park, which is located in north part of the Bantayan island, Cebu. This Kota Park have a nice boardwalk, which is 200 meter long, made out of concrete and wood. This is a great viewpoint for sunset and sunrise. In the beginning of the boardwalk, you have a lot of space. The ground can use for sports activity or any festival function. That will be great with the beach view. This location have a unique features. It comes with a park and playground and the boardwalk and the beach on the side, which looks very beautiful. Unfortunately, when I go there, I took a lot of GoPro video on the ground, but I lost all the files so that I cannot show anything in the park. The park was really beautiful, but I don't know the file to show you. In this video, I'm only relying on the drone footage because this is the only thing I have. Take my word for it, the park was maintained very well and it was very beautiful. When you stood in the park, it's really nice. The view was spectacular, but I cannot show you right now. This boardwalk reminds me Siargao Boardwalk. But the Siargao Boardwalk 300 meter long, this one close to 200 meter. But the local president took a lot of initiative to bring the tourists over here, so he built the boardwalk, which is quite nice. The problem with the tourists, they won't come to the north side. They always stay in the south side. The Kota Park is a very peaceful place. You have a very quality time with your family. At the same time, you can have a beautiful sunset from this area. The place was very peaceful, so you can enjoy your evening over here. I highly recommend this. This place have a more than 1,000 families living over here. Most of the people here are fishermen. You can see so many boats on the beach area. The Kota beach itself looks very beautiful with a lot of green trees, which is amazing. They kept the nature as much possible. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. The only sad thing is the beach water is not that clear like other beaches. I don't know what is the reason. It is the same island, but the beach water not that aqua blue. That is the only drawback on this place. But the place offers so many other things. The park have a very good facility. They have a lot of beautiful sitting area. You can relax like a picnic spot. Beside the beach area, you have a lot of benches to sit down also. It is a quite nice place for spending your evening. This lighthouse 3-story height, which is located 1 kilometer away from the beach. Because of my drone, I can capture very closely. I highly recommend you guys, when you go Bantayan Island, please go and visit the Kota Park. It is a very unique place. The surroundings, the area, the community, all are very beautiful and amazing. Very peaceful place. People are very good. Couple of very good restaurants also available. It have a beach on the both side. You have a boardwalk on the end. From the boardwalk viewpoint, you can enjoy the sunset and sunrise. At the same time, the lighthouse, which is located over there. I had a very good experience over there. I met some school students. They are very friendly. I took some video footage from them. They are really very happy. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.